Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I shave my face to achieve that glowy skin and to also make sure that my makeup comes out looking really good. I love to use Vaseline so much on my lips because it makes my lips really soft. For this video you are going to need some cotton pad, you're going to need this aloe vera, you're also going to need micellar water, a moisturizer, and lastly your shaving blade. Oh, you will also be needing some wipes on the side. I really love to use tea tree wipes. So the first thing you need to do is to clean your face with some micellar water using the cotton pad. You want to make sure you remove all that dirt on your face, and the next thing is to go ahead and put the aloe vera gel on your face. The reason why you are advised to use aloe vera gel on your face is to enable you shave your face with ease, and most importantly to make sure that you do not end up with a rough face by the time you are done due to rubbing the blade on a dry skin. Let me give you an example quickly. Imagine shaving your armpit without rubbing soap, because me, I always shave my armpit, I don't wax. And I remember when I tried to shave my armpit without putting soap to wet the place, I ended up with a very terrible reaction. My armpits were so rough, they were really red, and it was really painful. One more important thing, you want to make sure you are shaving in a downward motion. Do not shave upward, shave downwards. You can see what I'm doing in the video. Just watch closely how I'm shaving my face. So make sure when you are doing yours, you are shaving in the same direction. And remember, you don't have to do everything all at once. You can shave one side of the face, shave the other side, and then go to your forehead, your jaw. I have a beauty mark on my face and hair will always grow on it. My husband is always making fun of me because every time he sees hair on this particular spot, he starts to laugh at me. So I always make sure to shave the hair off whenever I'm shaving my face. Once you are done shaving your face, please go in with your wipes. After I was done making this video, I realized that I actually used micellar water to wipe my face after I was done shaving. But please do not make the mistake of doing the same thing. Always use your wipes whenever you are done shaving your face. And lastly, and the most important thing, is to go in with your moisturizer when you are done with everything. The moisturizer I use for this video, I don't use it on a daily basis. I mostly use it when I put on my makeup because I didn't really like how my skin reacted to it when I was using it like consistently. So I stopped and I decided I will be using it only when I'm putting on makeup. But I just decided to use it for this video because that is the only moisturizer I have laying around in my house. Most days I look at my face and it seems like there is no hair on my face, but once I shave, I realize how much hair I had on my face and how much that was affecting how my makeup looked. Here is the picture of how my makeup looked the first time I shaved my face. Mind you, I never knew this. It was my sister that put me on shaving my face, and since then I have not looked back. I always do this from time to time. We have come to the end of this video, and I appreciate you all for staying to the end of my video. On this channel we do a lot of natural hair content, beauty, and also lifestyle vlogs. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and you'll be seeing more of me. I also love to use my hand fan in situations like this because it helps my face dry up faster. Now just look at the end results after I'm done shaving. Like, my skin looks way better, it looks more gorgeous. Again, thank you for staying to the end of my video, and I will see you guys in the next. Okay, take care of yourself. Bye.